Encontré esta pequeña patineta por $1.
Found this little skateboard for $1.
Aquí lo realmente difícil es poder poner estos pequeños tornillos. Tal vez no lo logren ver, pero estos tornillos solo traen hilo hasta la mitad, el resto del tornillo es liso, para que la rueda gire.
Here the really difficult thing is to be able to put these small screws. You may not be able to see it, but these screws only have thread up to the middle, the rest of the screw is smooth, so that the wheel can rotate.
Es algo difícil insertar estos tornillos correctamente, con el destornillador pequeño que viene con el kit. Voy a cambiar a un destornillador de tamaño normal.
It is somewhat difficult to insert these screws correctly, with the small screwdriver that comes with the kit. I'm going to switch to a full-size screwdriver.
Lamentablemente el juego viene solo con 4 tornillos cuando debería traer 8. De todas formas, si pongo los tornillos en diagonal, debería bastar para sujetar todo en su lugar.
Unfortunately, the set comes with only 4 screws, when it should come with 8. However, if I put the screws diagonally, it should be enough to hold everything in place.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?